students. In your previous class, we have already studied about past perfect tense. Is it clear? I think past perfect tense is clear. There are no any doubts in past perfect tense. If you have any doubt, then ask me. And today we have to read past perfect continuous. Is it clear? Past perfect continuous. This tense is also important, and there is a identification to identify the sentence. What is identification? If sentence ends with रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, and time is also given. Is it clear? रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, and time is also given. Then the sentence will be in past perfect continuous. अगर टाइम नहीं दिया हो तो वहाँ पे ता रहा था, ती रही थी, ते रहे थे लिखा होगा. ठीक है? नहीं तो रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे प्लस टाइम दिया होगा. अगर ऐसा सेंटेंस है तो वो पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में होगा. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. नाउ देयर इज अ स्ट्रक्चर फॉर इट. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट सब्जेक्ट. आफ्टर दैट हैड बीन. After that verb plus ing. After that object. After that since or for. You have to choose since or for according to time plus time. Is it clear? If time is given in period of time, then you have to use for, and if time is given in point of time, then you have to use since, which is already given in a note of present perfect continuous. You have to look where you have to use since and where you have to use for. Is it clear? And this is also written by you. What is period of time and what is point of time? This is also written. So this is very easy to get it, to understand it. Now there is an example. वे लोग 5 दिनों से एक फिल्म देख रहे थे. Here देख रहे थे ends with रहे थे, but time is also given here 5 दिनों से. Is it clear? That's why this sentence will be in past perfect continuous, and the translation will be they had been watching a film for 5 days. According to rule, according to a structure which is given, you have to write first of all subject, then had been the verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. According to this translation will be they had been watching a film for 5 days. Is it clear? Now the second example here. तुम सोमवार से एक पुस्तक पढ़ रहे थे. सोमवार से is a fixed time, so you have to use since. You had been reading a book since Monday. Is it clear? This is the translation. Okay, now you have to wait. I am sending you some translation and you have to translate into English.